Khadija said, it takes a village to raise a child. But how does that village come together to care for that child? That is the question that I have learned from my last 2 years as a teacher. My name is Ashas Khan, and I taught math and science to grade 4 through 7 at Islamabad Model School for Boys, Chatta Bakhtawar. जब मैं पहली दफा क्लास के अंदर इंटर हुआ तो हालात देखकर परेशान हो गया। मेरे बच्चे बात बात पर हाथापाई पर उतर आते थे, जात और जुबान की बुनियाद पर झगड़ जाते थे और क्लास में एक दूसरे के साथ बैठना तक पसंद नहीं करते थे। मेरे बच्चों को पढ़ाई में दिलचस्पी नहीं थी। जब मैंने मैथ और साइंस का पहला टेस्ट लिया तो नताइज देखकर मैं परेशान हो गया कि वो सिर्फ 6% थे। My co-fellow Mehboob and I knew something had to change. We did not know how, but we knew one thing. We could not do this alone. We have to work together with all the stakeholders to enact change. In our first year, we took the initiative to help our students establish classroom rules, set a vision for themselves, and a classroom management system. Students started to take interest in their daily lessons, and gradually their marks started to improve. We actively involved parents in this journey by sharing classroom activities in our class WhatsApp groups. Students took the lead in involving their other subject teachers by organizing vision and goal sessions and sharing their aspirations for themselves with their teachers. As a result of our interventions, we noticed changes in our students. They began to reflect on their leadership competencies, identified their areas of growth, and take lead in their classes. Students also displayed increased mastery from 6 to 62% on average in math and science. Most students could only envision themselves as teachers or soldiers, but now they want to become a doctor, an engineer, and an artist. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने सालाना इम्तिहानात में शानदार कारकर्दगी दिखाई। 94% बच्चे बोर्ड का इम्तिहान पास करके अपनी कामयाबी का सफर जारी रखे हुए हैं। हमने सीखा कि हर क्लास को मखसूस चैलेंजेस का सामना होता है और उन चैलेंजेस को हल करने के लिए ऐसे हल की ज़रूरत होती है जो सिर्फ उनके टीचर्स फराहम नहीं कर सकते। इज्तिमाई कामयाबी के हसूल और हमारे ताल्लुकात को गहरा करने के लिए हमने दूसरी क्लास के तुलबा और उसातिज़ा को अपनी क्लास में मदऊ किया ताकि वो हमारे बच्चों से उनकी कामयाबी से सीख सकें। In April 2023, we worked with Sir Adnan, Sir Zahid, and Sir Nasir in communicating the benefits of classroom management system. We worked together with teachers and students in vision and goal setting sessions and the significance of classroom rules in achieving these goals. असातिज़ा ने पहल करते हुए स्टडी सर्कल्स के जरिए से अपने बच्चों को क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम का मकसद समझाया और उसे इम्प्लीमेंट करने में उनकी हेल्प की। आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम सब मुश्तरका विजन के जरिए एक तहरीक का हिस्सा बनने लगे। To extend our support beyond the school premises, our principal, Mr. Arshad, focused on building relationship with the parents by updating them regularly on their children's progress. This helped to create a sense of accountability and instilled a desire in parents to work and to dedicate more time for their children's progress. Our teachers decided to award students on good behavior and class participation in the final result day celebrations and personally invited parents to the awards distribution ceremony, which saw an 80% result as compared to 40% from previous years. Our teachers grouped together to share their best practices, and our principal immediately embraced the idea and called a meeting of all the staff members to brief. And with their support, we were able to implement the classroom management system to the entire school. We are now working with the teachers and students on developing vision and goals for themselves. हमने सीखा जब हम सब मिलके अपना हिस्सा डालते हैं तो एक देर बाद तब्दीली लाई जा सकती है. By learning and leveraging this lesson, we can transform learning environments and produce the outcomes that all the children deserve. Thank you so much.